Morning everybody. This morning I have a project to install here. I removed this center console. So I will be placing this one right here. This is the swivel for the TV. The problem is that it cannot be placed right here because if the engine cover is opened, chances are the swivel will interfere. So I need to put a bracket right here. Okay, two brackets, actually, one here and one here. So it will be angled somewhere here, that way. So we will be placing this here instead, like that. So we will install television here on the spot, okay, so that we can use this Xbox with the bigger screen. We installed actually the Xbox yesterday, but the screen would not work, but only with the main head monitor is working, but it's too far and too small, so it doesn't really give any essence of playing your Xbox game with that monitor. Is too small, so this one does not work. So we'll have to place a TV right here so we can use the Xbox. We have already bent both ends of these two flat bars. I think the angles now are okay. We already achieved the correct angle of these two ends. Okay, so I need to measure this first. Okay, so this will be placed here. We need to drill holes, two on the left and two on the right, and also one on this end and also one on this end. We need to test the bracket so that if we open the engine lid, there will be no interference on this side. Let me see. I think everything is okay, so no interference. We have painted these two brackets. We have place it here. This is quite tricky because once this is positioned here, we have to place this center console. So we need to do this where the TV will be placed right there. So although it's a bit off center, I need to make some remedies later. Okay. I've already installed the TV together with the bracket, and we have already set up our Xbox. Okay, we'll turn on now the inverter. Okay, we will now turn on the TV. Okay. Yeah.
All target cleared to muster.
There we go. We're now in playing mode. Okay, wow.
We've taken the advantage.
There you go.